Hello, traders. Have Speculator here. Today is Monday, July 17th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So, on the dollar yen monthly, I did change things a little bit this weekend when I looked at things closer, especially because of looking at the yen pairs. This does look to me like a possible 1-2, and this is actually all a wave 3. All the yen pairs right now look like they're in a wave 4, so this is probably going to be a wave 4 also. I still think it's going to go down, but I think it's actually going to end up going up, most likely because of the yen, not because of the dollar, probably all the way up to one of these fib extension levels before it actually really does end up continuing the downtrend. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. Now on the weekly time frame, very strong move to the downside, and we do have a higher low here, so it still could possibly be an ABC correction, and it very easily could just keep on trending down from here. But the reason why I do think that it may end up going up is because of the yen, not because of the dollar. I think there's a good chance this move down is going to be a correction to this move up, and that it's actually going to go up probably to like the 61.8 level to finish a wave C before it really does end up continuing the downtrend. So let's take a look at that on the daily time frame, because on the daily we are looking for shorts in a downtrend right now anyways, and if it does just keep on trending down like that first scenario, and if it does just keep on doing this, then we should be looking for shorts in a downtrend anyways, so it shouldn't really be that much of a big deal. Really what we should have here is either a wave A or a wave 1, and then we should go up to make either a wave 2 or a wave B, and then it's going to go down again to either make a wave C, which a wave C would probably look like that, and then turn up in a big way, or it's going to go down and make a wave 3, which if it's a wave 3, then it will just keep on making lower lows, lower highs, and if that's the case, we'll know that this back here really is the end of a correction. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we definitely do have a break of structure to the upside right here. Didn't really close above structure, so that's not a good sign. But to me, it definitely looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down. It's probably now going to end up making a pretty good little move to the upside for either a wave B or a wave 2. A wave B and a wave 2 is pretty much exactly the same trading strategy, which is we're looking for longs on shorter time frames until we can identify the end of a three-way pattern with an impulsive move down, a break of structure, and a continuation of either a wave C or possibly a wave 3. This over here should be either an A or a 1, it should be either a B or a 2 up, and then it should go down for either a 3 or a C. So let's take a look at it on the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame with that break of structure that we just had, I think that it probably would be a best idea now to start looking for longs. It probably is either going to go up and make either a wave C and then go back down from there, or possibly it's going to go up and make like a 3, 4, 5, and that's only going to be a wave A, and then it goes down and back up again to make a much bigger ABC correction. Either way, I think the best bet for us now is probably to be looking for longs until we know that this ABC correction is over on the longer time frames like the 4 hour and daily. Once we know that ABC is over on those time frames, we can stop looking for longs and we can start looking for shorts again for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.